going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, yeah, you guys saw that thumbnail. It is a great day. I cannot wait to see what this thing looks like in the Dirty Max. We're going to unbox it right now. Installation, it looks like a pain in the butt. I'm not sure. Like I said, this is going to be my first time installing it. I've never installed one of these in any truck before. I've never really messed with the radio. I'm not a radio or speaker person. So I do not know how difficult this is and how much stuff we're going to have to rip apart. But I will show you guys an unboxing. Also, you guys that keep asking about my solar panels, how is it? How do you like it? So far, so good. These things are cranking. They're kicking butt. It made me a crap ton of power. So as of right now, it's been good. You know, kilowatt-wise, I'm making, you know, almost like 100 kilowatts a day, something crazy like that. Not sure if you guys are familiar with that kind of stuff, but you know, kilowatts is like how many, you know, your house uses a certain amount of kilowatts. My house uses like 30 to 40 a day, which is a little high, but you know, between my lights, my welders, plasma cutters, we got 4 refrigerators, you know, jacuzzi, so with all that stuff, I'm gonna be using a little bit. But according to my app here, which is pretty cool, so they give you an app where you can monitor your solar panels. So let's refresh it here for you guys. It's by Tesla. Okay, so I've refreshed the page for you guys. So how these solar panels work, and you guys asked me, you heard Tesla's, you know, you didn't like it, they weren't good. As of right now, I love it. And it shows you, you know, what you're making, how the panels are doing. It can show you like a live data of what it's doing, what it's making you right now. I am not sure, I don't quite understand exactly fully you know, how this works, but the main number that I look at is what I've made so far. So far, my panels have produced me 75 kilowatts. Well, with me, I'm using, you know, about 30, 40 a day, and 30, 40 days without AC. As you guys know, I got air conditioning. Well, you can't see it with this damn boat here, but I got air conditioning, and I'm going to probably use more, obviously, because the AC is going to be on. But if you go back to yesterday I made 93 kilowatts, so that's really, really good. And it shows you here like the peak of, you know, when you made it, when the, I guess, most power they were making. Obviously it'd be in the afternoon when the sun comes right over. But so far so good. I'm happy with the panels, and I'm actually going to turn the air conditioning on for the first time today, as you can see right over there in that corner, because it's a little warm outside. Is it that warm? No, I think it's like, I don't know, 85 or so. It's not that hot outside. My car said, or the Nissan said like 82, so it's probably like 80 degrees. Well, actually here, let's see. So, okay, so currently in the garage it's 77. Outside it's 79. On my phone here, Alpine says it is 77. Well, I'm not sure, but we're just gonna turn the AC on anyways, try it out, and see how good it works. Also, I have a special guest coming for you guys. He should be here shortly. You will see. You know him. So just stay tuned, stay calm, relax. He will be back, or not back, but he will be here shortly. All right, guys, here's the first look first look unboxing. I was just too excited. I'm sorry. I had to open it up. I couldn't wait to see it. But it comes in a lot of foam and a lot of protection. There are, it comes with that, and it comes with this other piece of foam that's down in there. Again, I apologize, guys. I got excited. I couldn't do it. So, if you guys order this system, he's going to ask you, do you have Bose speakers or not? This truck, my Denali over there, does have the Bose system set up. So you have to get this. Again, I don't know what it is, but I know you have to get it. I'm guessing something for the radio, obviously. No, that's not it. I think it is. See, I mean, this comes with a lot of wires. It's kind of scary, guys. I mean, look at all these. Oh boy, oh boy. You know, I wish I can give you guys more info. Just stay tuned. So this is just, you know, boxing right now, unboxing. Bunch of wires here. This looks like maybe a board. What do we get? Yeah, it could be like a computer or board to communicate, make sure everything is proper. Because when I pull this out, it looked like that there was the air conditioning, you know, gets replaced. There's no AC. Well, hopefully there better be AC, but it looks like the AC is going to be touched. Also comes with this harness here. Again, no idea what this is for. So we'll put that there. Comes with more harnesses. This is, oh, okay, this is your IO3, IO4, 5, and 6. Okay, well, that's what that is right there. Again, still have no idea what that's for. So we'll put that to the side there. Now, here it comes. Dun, 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 dun. The good part. Let's pull this thing out. I'm going to have to put the camera down one sec, guys, and I will go lay it on the couch over there. Bam! Would you look at that? Look how nice and clean. Look at the buttons. See the buttons on that thing? That thing just looks good. Okay, I know, Eddie. Cut the crap. Come on, we want to see it. Here we go. So, first it's going to come with a blue little plastic chingus. And that looks scratched. Hopefully there's a screen on top of it. Alright, let's peel this right off over here. I gotta say, they packaged this really, really good. And there's a lot of other screens out there, guys. The reason why I chose this, because this is as close to factory as I've seen. There's other ones with like neon buttons. I'm not really a fan of that. It reminds me of like, I don't know, like, you know, the little old school like flip up displays and you're like Honda Civic or Toyota Supras. This looks factory, looks very clean. It is a 12.1 inch display. So as you guys see here, looks like you got your AC mode here now. But it's also going to look like, I'm sure, because I think I've seen where you can even split this in half and you can put the AC, you know, I guess functions down at the bottom and whatever you want up top here. But, you know, I mean, as of right now, a first look looks great, looks clean, looks factory. Buttons, they feel good, they don't feel cheap like they're going to break. Well, that's nice. Give you a little, you know, spot for your finger right there. Okay, all right. Bada bing, bada boom. Good enough for me. Feels good. Okay. Sometimes, you know, and I do this because sometimes you get these things and like one button will be hard, one will be all loose. Yeah, they all feel good. Let's see here. And also, guys, I found out, yes, obviously this is made in China, but the good thing about this is all of the programming is done at actually GM. GM actually programs it. They send them to GM, and GM programs all their factory stuff on here. So it's how it's built. Yes, China, obviously. I mean, good luck trying to find anything made in the USA now. But built in China, programmed, everything here in the US, and it will tell you here everything. So this is for a 14 to an 18 Shelby Silverado or a GMC Sierra. This is the model. It is a 12.1 inch screen. Why do people call me every time I'm trying to vlog? God forbid, man. Gosh. Sorry, guys. I gotta answer this. Oh. Jeez. Efrain had the call. And this thing has RAM and flash. 2 gigabytes and plus 32 gigabytes. Okay, not sure what that is. Color's black. Made in China. And I'm guessing, I don't know, that's a number. So I'm going to take a photo of this just in case maybe I need this number. And I will let you guys know what this is. But back, looks like you got some connectors there. I'm sure a lot of your factory plugs will plug right into this thing. Yeah, look at that. So that's probably your antenna. That's probably navigation, maybe some speaker, all factory plugs here. Well, I mean, as of right now, this thing looks pretty dang good. I mean, that's a massive screen right there. And I'm gonna go carry it and put it up on old Dirty Max over there and display it and get an idea of what it's going to look like. But I gotta wait for my cameraman to show up so I can hold it and he can record for me so I can get some good, nice angles and different views and make it look good for you guys. So stay tuned. We will be back right after this short break. Why did I like point? What was the point of that? Okay, well, we'll be right back. All right, let's go in the truck now and see. Oh, it's close. So we're gonna see. Looks like what changes are gonna be made. Wow, look at that. Coochie coo. Okay, so it looks like, I'm sure it's gonna come to here. Obviously, it's got to fit in all this. So I'm wondering if they just took all of this and this and made just a massive screen, because the buttons have to be, I would assume, right about here, and all of this is going to be in the display of that screen over there. So it looks like, yeah, because they didn't send me a new bezel. So we gotta make sure it has the same thing, because it's got, I don't remember this in that screen. We're gonna have to go double check that real quick, because I assume the bezel's going to stay and this whole thing right here comes out and this whole thing is going to be replaced. But let's go double check, make sure it has that bend, and well, go from there. It looks like we should start just ripping this thing apart. How? Well, not sure, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so it does have this little little bend to it right here. So yeah, looks like this whole thing is gonna fit in there, and well, I don't know, we'll see. Can't wait to see how it looks. ¿Qué pasa, Mario? What's going on? What's going on? I know you guys missing my special guest. What's going on? Not much. How you doing? I know there's nowhere to sit, bro. I'm sorry. We got a lot of shit going on over here. We got a lot of stuff to do. Sit down, make some room. What's going on? How you doing, man?
Not much, man. Not much.
Everybody was asking about you.
I know. I seen some of those comments when I supposedly got fired.
I know, man. There's people pissed at me.
I
I'm
was
like,
getting cracked up, but I was like, oh man, if he doesn't show up on time, he deserves to get fired.
Yeah, I was like, what the hell?
I commented on some of those, like, if you would have watched the video at the end.
Yeah. Just so you guys know, yeah, I didn't really fire Mario. For, you know, my true fans out there, you guys understand. For the people that just like skim through it and then leave those stupid comments, I never fired him. Mario left on his own, and he didn't leave because he was upset. He left because the drive is really, really far for him. He found another job. I always told him he's got a job at my place. If anything happens, he wants to, but the drive was just a pain in the butt for him, and I don't blame him. I mean, you know, the drive's not easy for me, but I don't have to be there every day, so, you know. But how's the new job? Good?
Yeah, everything's going good, man. I mean, pretty much just production welding all day, so.
Excellent, excellent. So you guys know I waited for Mario #1 because he's going to help me install that thing, because it's probably going to take 2 people. And, well, Mario, what do you think? First look.
It looks pretty bitchin', man, to be honest.
Yeah, it looks pretty badass, but, man, there's a lot of wires. There's a lot of wires.
Patience and diagrams.
Yeah. The one good thing, guys, about, you know, my truck and not having it to be my everyday is, you know what, if me and Mario will work on it for a couple hours and say the hell with it, we'll just stop. I don't need it. You know, I'm not using it, I'm not going anywhere. So sometimes me and Mario just say, forget it, and finish it the next day. That's one good thing about not having this as my daily. You know, if Mario wants to come back next week, we can do it. You know, it's just that's one thing that's nice about it. So I don't know if we're gonna get it done today for you guys, but we will. Like I told you, I was gonna wait for Mario to come. I'll have him hold it up for you guys to show you what it's gonna look like real quick, just to give you guys an idea, because I couldn't hold the camera and put that up. Okay, guys, so we're doing a little homework here. Mario's watching a video. I'm watching a video because there was a lot of parts. So the last thing you want to do is mess this thing up, and all of these need to be installed properly so everything works proper. Your, you know, navigation, your OnStar antennas, GPS. I mean, everything. It's got adapters here and all this. You know, this is your GPS. Here's your mic. I don't know what this is. Looks like a speaker for something. There's a lot of stuff here. So we're going to do a little homework before we start ripping old Dirty Max apart over there. So it's pretty. Put it in front right here. See if it doesn't match all this stuff perfect.
It's pretty darn close. So we'll see right now in teardown, guys. You'll be able to follow with us.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's pretty. Yeah, for some reason, to me, it does not look like this is gonna fit in here.
Yeah, it looks like we would need those other trim pieces that he was talking about. There's 2 face plates, because this is the new bottom. Yeah, feel that radius right there.
Yeah, no, that's what I feel here. That's what I was worried about.
And then now look at this one, this top one.
Yeah, that's not on there. It'd have to be like this. Yeah. But see, I don't know why they didn't, you know. I don't know. We'll rip it apart real quick, guys, and I'll let you know, if it's going to work, what it needs, because in a lot of videos you see is this trim piece is gone, and they give you a new trim piece. According to, a lot of stuff I've read, some people are using the old trim piece. Some people are getting new trim pieces. I did not get any new trim pieces, so I don't know. I don't know. Ready to rip it apart?
Yeah, we're about to pull it apart, guys. We got to find out one way or another.
Okay.
To see how this beauty is going to work out, and at least see if we can at least power up if the trim doesn't work. We'll be able to find out on that, and there'll be one more piece we have to get for this puzzle.
Yep. All right. Well, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we looked a little bit how to do this. I'm not going to do a complete install video on this just because it's going to take forever. We don't know exactly yet what we're doing, so we're going to get started and just start ripping it apart right now. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned. Hopefully by the next video this thing will be installed and ready to go. But if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.